In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host an experience on Airbnb. Now, this is a fantastic opportunity if you've got a special skill, passion, or local expertise that you'd love to share with others, and you can make some money while doing it. So let's get started and dive right into the process of getting your experience listed and ready for guests. First things first, open Airbnb on your device. It doesn't matter if you're using the website or the mobile app, both are perfectly fine. Just make sure you're signed in and your account is verified. This is important because Airbnb wants to ensure that all hosts meet their standards of safety and trust. Once you're all set and logged in, glance over to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find the option that says, Switch to Hosting. Click on it and you'll enter a whole new realm dedicated to hosting. It's exciting, right? From here, you'll embark on creating your listing. Now, this part is all about showcasing what you have to offer, so take your time with it. Let's focus on how you update your listing status. Make sure you've set it to be available to everyone. This way, travelers from all over the world can find and book your experience. You'll want to upload clear and accurate photos. Images are crucial because they're the first thing potential guests will see, and a great set of photos can be what sets you apart from the rest. Now, filling out all the important details of your place or experience is your next step. Be thorough and descriptive. You don't want to leave any important information out because guests should fully understand what they're signing up for. And of course, you can't forget to set your nightly rate. This is how much you're planning to charge for your experience. Take a look at similar experiences to get an idea of competitive pricing. Also, make sure you provide all the necessary information that your visitors need to know for check-in and any details that are important about your listing. Whether it's meeting points, what to wear, or what to bring, being clear about these things can make the difference between a smooth booking experience and a confusing one. Once you've completed all these steps, your listing will be live and ready for guests to book. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. That's how you host an experience on Airbnb. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Airbnb tutorials. We've got plenty more to explore together. See you in the next video.